Welcome everyone to Paul Sherry RVs in Piqua, Ohio. This is Sean Frost. We're going to do a walk around on a 2015 Forest River 27 WP Wolfpack toy hauler. Travel trailer toy hauler, 5,900 pounds, and it's 31 feet long. Aluminum siding, 2 20-pound LP tanks. You have a power tongue jack, diamond plate, stop the rocks from chipping. There's your near pass-through storage. You got the water heater on the other side, so it's almost the whole way pass through. You have power awning, drip spouts, nice big grab handle here, outside TV bracket, outside speakers, your connection for your TV, nitrogen filled tires, standard stabilizer jacks, these 2 sofas here will fold out to about a king-size bed. Really easy to fold forward. You just pop the leg down there. It's quite a nice sized bed. Of course, it doubles as the eating area. Put your table in the middle there. Grab you a bite to eat right here in the back. So while it does have ducted heat, it's got the standard air, so the vents will direct it out here from Dometic. You got all that tying in right here. Your furnace will run it all. Switchable Nord-Cold refrigerator and freezer. Run this off of electric or gas. You got an oven. Couple burners there. The microwave. So everything you'll need to cook and make you some food. Show you the bathroom. It's a little tight in here, I'll tell you that. There's a skylight, a little more headroom. Vent fan, keep everything smelling fresh. There's your queen bed. Wardrobe closet, some overhead storage here. A little compartment at the top, more wardrobe. A couple reading lights. This is a very clean unit. Again, it smells very fresh in here. Not the least bit stale. There's your shop vac. This one does not have a warranty from the manufacturer, though we would consider this one of our certified units, so every component will be demonstrated during a free walkthrough and guaranteed to work for you. And if you're not a veteran camper, we'll use that walkthrough to make sure that you know everything that this is capable of. Solar charger, you can charge up the battery from a panel that you can get extra. Again, powered awning, big scare light, real clean camper. Had this one in for a few weeks. It's not going to last much longer. So if you've had any other questions, give us a call at 937-778-5250. We'll do our best to help you out. Email, chat, call, whatever. This has been Sean Frost with Paul Sherry RVs. Thank you for watching the video.
Shopping for an RV can be very difficult. There's so many makes and models to choose from, and how do you ever know if you're going to get a good deal on what you're buying? My name is Mike Sherry, and I'm with Paul Sherry RVs. Our goal is to make your RV buying experience as fun and painless as possible, and of course, provide you with the best deal in the market. But don't take my word for it. Go online and read all of our reviews from happy customers of ours. Feel free to call, email, or chat into us with any questions you might have.